Yo, what's going on, everybody? Back again, and today a little something different. I've been challenged to a Pokemon blister pack battle by Monkey DaManiac. I will put his, I'll put their link in the description below. If you're familiar with these, basically we're gonna both upload videos of us opening this product here, the Venusaur and/or Blastoise 3 blister pack product. And whoever has the best pulls wins. He sent me the rules. Hollow is 1 point, a break is 2, and EX is 3. Full art is 4, Mega EX is 5, Mega EX full art is 6, and a secret rare is 7. So without further ado, let's try to win this thing. You guys be sure to take a look at this Japanese CP6 Charizard here for good luck. Hopefully they bring Charizard brings me luck. But be sure to follow, subscribe, and like Monkey DaManiac's Pokemon channel. Good Pokemon content over there. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel if you like the videos. There's a, what was that, Phantom Forces? I can't never make these easy to open. I'll tell you that much. Comes up like so. And our 2 evolutions. Boost Rex. Very nice. Let's get a look at that nice pen though. I wanted to get that Venusaur pen more than the Blastoise. I don't know why. That Venusaur though. Put that back there. So, you know what? We're going to go with newest to oldest first. So we'll go with this evolution pack first. Got a nice code card for you guys. Small thank you for stopping by. Oh, we have a Poliwag, Sandshrew, Voltorb, Magnemite, Caterpie versus a Nidorino, R.A.F, an Electrode, Trainer, and Poliwhirl. Oh, and one more card. Charizard Spirit Link. So nothing in that pack. Dud. Come on, Charizard. Take that out. We have a Caterpie, Ghastly, Diglett, Charmander, Voltorb. Reverse is a Ponyta. Our rare is a Dugong. Professor Oak's Hint, the trainer card. Brock's Grid. Last card, Poliwhirl. So we're going to have to hope that Phantom Forces treats us well here, because we're looking at an offer. Like I said at the very beginning of the video, you guys be sure to like and subscribe to Monkey DaManiac. Like I said, I'll put a link to his channel in the description. Phantom Forces, we have Skarmory, Zubat, we got a Bunnelby, Chansey, Carablast, reverse is a Litleo, nice. Our rare is a Mightyena. Trainer is a Xerosic. Is that how you say it? I don't know. And a Sliggoo. Oh, one more card, sorry. And a Manectric Spirit Link. So, we didn't get anything in this pack. Did get a really cool pin. So, I guess there's that. But good luck to Monkey DaManiac. I'm sure if he just pulls even one hollow, he wins. But this is really cool. I'd like to probably do this again. Hey, if you have your own channel and you'd like to challenge me to a Pokemon Booster Pack battle, just go ahead and send me a private message. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. You guys have a good day.